Prepare for a journey that transcends the confines of our solar system and will lead you to a profound reflection on the mysteries that surround us, both in the sky and within ourselves. Have you ever wondered what the depths of the universe, with their silent and rare spectacles, can teach us about our own faith and the purpose of our existence? Today, we will explore a cosmic wonder that has painted the heavens with an almost unbelievable color, a color of hope and revelation, and that can reveal more about divine providence than we imagine. Keep your eyes wide open and your heart receptive, for this story goes beyond science. It will touch your soul, pique your curiosity, and captivate you until the very end. Imagine a silent witness to time, an ancient traveler born in a star system we cannot even name. A ball of ice and dust formed countless billions of years ago, perhaps long before our own sun ignited its flame. This is Comet 3I/Atlas, a solitary pilgrim traversing the vast expanses of intergalactic darkness, guided by a force that science tries to unravel, but that faith can help us understand. It doesn't belong to our cosmic neighborhood. Its roots are so distant that the idea alone makes us contemplate the immensity of creation and the magnitude of a divine architect who can orchestrate such extraordinary journeys, bringing before our eyes something that is not ours, but offered to us so that we can admire and, perhaps, learn. And as it travels, cutting through the void at a blistering speed of over 210,000 kilometers per hour, it approaches our sun, the heat and light emanating from our parent star beginning to awaken in it a surprising glow. Astrophotographers, with their attentive lenses, captured something unprecedented. 3I/Atlas began to emanate a neon green hue, a spectacle rarely repeated on the celestial stage. This color change, this vibrant transformation, is not just a chemical quirk. It is a window into the inner self of this visitor, a manifestation of substances like dicarbon and cyanide that have lain dormant beneath its ice for eons, now being excited by solar radiation and revealing their inner truth. It is as if divine light touches the essence of something and reveals its true and astonishing potential. This phenomenon is not only visually stunning, but also deeply symbolic. The neon green comet is a powerful reminder that, behind the apparent calm of existence, there are hidden forces and profound mysteries waiting to be revealed. Just as the ice layers of 3I/Atlas held this vibrant color, our hearts often harbor emotions, talents, and truths that need the light of divine grace to surface. Its approach to the sun and the subsequent explosion of color show us that when we draw closer to the source of all good, we are transformed, and what was dormant within us can be activated, becoming a spectacle of faith and hope for the world, a colorful light that radiates life to all around. The singular beauty of 3I/Atlas, not only because it is an interstellar comet, but also because of its potentially neon green coloration, distinguishes it as an unusual celestial messenger. Think for a moment. How many of us have felt like strangers in a distant land, wandering a path that seems to be our own? This comet, a foreigner in our system, shows us that the beauty and complexity of creation have no boundaries, and that diversity is a manifestation of the Creator's infinite creativity. Each time we observe a comet, we are invited to reflect on the transience of life and the magnificence of the cosmos, understanding that we are part of something much greater and that even the rarest phenomena carry a divine message. We just need to be open to decipher it. While science relentlessly searches for the exact causes of this coloration, whether it's dicarbon, cyanide, or a still unfamiliar chemistry, the beauty of the mystery persists. It is this search for understanding that, in a way, mirrors our own journey of faith. We don't need to understand all the mechanisms behind miracles or the blessings we receive to believe in their origin. The mere contemplation of an event like this green comet propels us into an awe that transcends rational explanation and leads us to reverence, the same reverence we feel before the vastness and perfection of the divine plan. It is a way of telling us that there are secrets the universe holds that can only be fully appreciated through the eyes of faith, opening doors for a love without measure to flood our soul. However, this fascinating cosmic traveler will not remain visible forever. Soon, it will pass on the opposite side of the sun from Earth, becoming temporarily invisible before reappearing in December, even more distant, but at its closest point to Earth. This dynamic of disappearing and reappearing reminds us of the ups and downs of our own spiritual journey. There are times when the light of faith seems dimmed by life's trials, times when the divine presence seems distant. But just as 3I/Atlas returns, stronger and with its tail more visible, the light of faith always shines again for those who persevere in hope, reminding us that darkness is never the end, but merely a passage to a new manifestation of the Creator's glory and peace. Thinking about our daily lives, we are often like this comet. We carry dormant gifts and truths within us, waiting for the divine light to shine. May we learn from the patience of 3I/Atlas, which in its slow approach to the sun revealed its beauty. May we draw closer to the Creator every day through prayer, meditation, reading the Word, and the act of heartfelt forgiveness, finding the peace that surpasses all understanding. Just as its beauty was revealed from the inside out, may our faith generate more conversions, beginning with our own daily conversion to a greater love, to an unshakable faith. We want to spread this light. Please leave the names of those who need prayer in the comments, so we can include them in our prayers with the main rosary, trusting that this intercession will make a huge difference in their lives and bring light to those who need a little more color. What does this story of the neon green comet inspire you? What message did it bring to you? Leave a comment below and share your insight with us. Your participation is very important to us and to our faith community. If you were captivated by this message and want more content that connects the wonder of the universe with the depth of faith, don't forget to like this video, turn on the notification bell, and, of course, subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming fascinating stories. May the light of this comet inspire us to a deeper faith and a hope that never fades.